Just when it seemed the wireless earbud market had settled into predictable upgrades, Huawei decided to rewrite the rules. Today, we're diving into the newly revealed FreeBuds Pro 5, earbuds engineered to challenge not just expectations, but Apple's upcoming AirPods Pro 3. Why is everyone talking about these earbuds? Because Huawei isn't just promising better sound, they're introducing a new wireless audio tech that could redefine how earbuds work entirely. Fresh off the heels of the FreeBuds 7i and the release of the Mate 70 Air, Huawei has officially pulled back the curtain on its next flagship audio device. Reservations are already open in China, and anticipation is high as we wait for a full launch later this month. The headline feature? NearLink Audio, a breakthrough wireless standard making its debut in consumer earbuds. Huawei claims this technology isn't just an incremental step forward, it's a generational leap. With transmission speeds reaching up to 12 megabits per second, the FreeBuds Pro 5 can handle ultra-high-quality, near-lossless audio streams with room to spare. And here's the kicker. NearLink Audio reportedly slashes power consumption by up to 40% compared to traditional Bluetooth-based solutions. That means cleaner sound and smarter efficiency without draining your battery. The FreeBuds Pro 5 also support Huawei's L2HC codec, enabling richer detail and more accurate sound reproduction. For audiophiles, this means better depth, sharper highs, and fuller lows, delivered wirelessly. Battery life gets a substantial bump too. The previous generation, the FreeBuds Pro 4, topped out at about 33 hours with the charging case. Early indications suggest the FreeBuds Pro 5 will push past that benchmark, giving users even more uninterrupted listening time. Aesthetically, Huawei has streamlined the design. The earbuds appear slightly smaller, with repositioned noise-canceling microphones aimed at improving ANC performance. It's a familiar silhouette, just sharper, cleaner, and more refined. So, what does all this add up to? A pair of wireless earbuds that aren't just chasing Apple, they're trying to leap ahead with brand new technology, longer endurance, and a more polished design. As we wait for the global launch, one thing is clear. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro 5 could be one of the most important audio releases of the year. And if NearLink Audio delivers on its promises, we may be witnessing the future of wireless sound. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more breaking tech insights.